In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Basecamp subscription. Whether you're looking to harness more features or simply expand your current plan, upgrading Basecamp can be pivotal for your project management needs. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Basecamp account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom of the dashboard. You might not immediately notice it, but there's a button or link that says Buy Basecamp today. Even though its placement isn't the most prominent, this is exactly what you need for your upgrade, so don't overlook it. Go ahead and click on this link to proceed. Upon doing so, you'll be transported to the subscription plans page. Here, you'll find an array of Basecamp packages displayed, each offering its own set of features and capabilities. This is your opportunity to really explore what Basecamp has to offer. Take your time on this page, as it's vital to ensure that the package you choose aligns perfectly with your needs. Think about what you actually require from Basecamp at this stage. Do you need more storage space? Perhaps you need the ability to manage additional projects or include more users. By carefully considering these aspects, you can pick the package that corresponds with your specific goals. Once you've made up your mind, click on Choose this package for the one that best suits your needs. This selection will lead you to a confirmation page. Now take a moment to review your choice. It's important to make sure you're satisfied with the package you've selected. When you're ready to proceed, look for the Buy Basecamp button. This is your cue to finalize the upgrade, so go ahead and click it. Next, you'll arrive at the payment section. Here, you'll need to provide your payment details to complete the transaction. It's crucial to ensure that the information you enter is accurate. Any errors could delay the upgrade process. So double-check those details before submitting. And there you go. You've successfully upgraded your Basecamp subscription. This upgrade will reflect instantly in your account, providing you with the new features and capabilities that you selected. Remember, upgrading your Basecamp subscription can significantly enhance your project management experience, offering you more tools and flexibility to manage your team and projects efficiently. Continue exploring these new features to make the most of your Basecamp experience. If you ever find yourself needing further assistance or just have a question, Basecamp's support team is just a click away. They are always ready to assist you with any queries or issues you might encounter. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Whether you're optimizing for a growing team or expanding your project horizons, upgrading Basecamp is a step towards more streamlined and efficient project management. Here's to achieving great things with your newly upgraded Basecamp account.